नमस्कार बाल दोस्तों, मैथ्स 10 एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस में 7 + 10 + 13 + 16 + 19 + 34 तो आ +34 કેટલામું પદ હશે? which number of terms is 34? therefore formula is આપણી પાસે છે n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is equal to 34, a is equal to 7, difference 10 minus 7 3, an is equal to 34. તો n આપણે મેળવવાનું છે. તો a is equal to 7 plus n minus 1, difference is 3. Therefore 7 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 34. Therefore 34 is equal to 7 minus 3, so plus 4 plus 3n. Therefore 34 minus, therefore 3n is equal to 34 minus 4, that is 30, and 3n is equal to 30. Therefore by 3 by 3, so 3 remove again, that is n is equal to 10. The value of n is equal to 10. જો બાળકો સમજાયું હોય તો લાઈક કરવાનું ચૂકશો નહીં. થેન્ક યુ.